Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Poofy Ruffle Christmas Deco Mesh Wreath. What you will need, I have a 16-inch wreath ring. I have 10-inch and 21-inch deco mesh, scissors, and a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. First thing I'd like to do is raise all of my stems, just because it makes the mesh placing process a lot faster. Alright, so once I've done that, I'm going to roll my mesh to a nice little point, start on the outer ring, place my mesh, and twist it a couple of times. Pull my mesh to make a nice little poof, and I actually don't want too large of a poof this time. You can definitely go with larger poofs if you choose to do so. If you want smaller poofs, it's completely up to you. Alright, I'm just going to make another poof and place it in the next stem. And I'm just going to place my poofs all the way around the outer ring. And coming around to my starting point, I'm just going to make another poof and place that poof in my starting stem. And then cut my mesh and tuck it away. Right, and I'm going to repeat the same steps on the inner ring. Alright, so I have all of my mesh in place, just flaring out my poofs. You can definitely, like I said, you can make it poofier if you choose to do so. I do have some wreaths that I make extra large and poofy, which I think is so cute and adorable. But for this specific wreath, I wanted slightly smaller poofs. So then I'm going to take my 10-inch mesh, and I have cut my mesh into 8-inch long pieces. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer them one on top of the other, just like that. And I'm going to scrunch, just like that. Find my stem, place my mesh, and twist it a couple of times, and then tuck it away. Just like that. Layering it out a little bit. Going to repeat the same steps for each of my stems. You can go with different colors if you choose to do so. You can make your mesh longer if you choose to do so, shorter, whatever you prefer. Sometimes I overlap them halfway just to make it fuller and fluffier, especially when I use the 6-inch mesh, but I don't do that as often with the 10-inch mesh. All right, I'm going to get these bundles placed and show you what it's looking like. Right, so this is what it's looking like so far. So cute and precious. I'm just going to flare out my mesh just to make it even fluffier. This just gives a different look as opposed to the just poofy or just ruffle. It's like a mixture of the two, which I think is so cute and precious. Now I'm going to add one piece of mesh to the outer ring, and I have 2 on each inner stem, and I want 1 piece on each outer stem. But it's looking so cute and poofy already. So you really don't have to add any if you choose not to do so. So you do have the option, there are 2 ways you can do this. You can scrunch it again and place it on the outer stem. If you want to make it more fun and whimsical, you can roll it in a cute little curl, just like this. Scrunch it, and then place it on the outer stem. I think I'm going to go with the cute little curl this time, just because I want to kind of do a mixture of poofy, ruffle, and curly wreath. But again, go with whichever way you prefer. That's a good thing. You can have fun with it and make it your own. All right, I'm going to get my mesh placed in each of the outer stems. Alright, so this is what the finished product is looking like. I think it's so cute, fun, and whimsical. You can definitely add ornaments, bows, an adorable sign to the center, presents, any type of embellishments you'd like. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the colors, the style, add in any additional embellishments you'd like.